Hello class, we are now going to do the job shadowing and job advertisement activities. There are two sites that you are very familiar with that we're going to use for this activity. One is called YouTube, you might have heard of it, and the other is called Google. So in YouTube, I learned about this particular tool within YouTube at a conference that I attended last year, and they shared how this was probably one of the most accessible tool for students to use as they were going through this process of decision making when determining a major or a potential career. Because who doesn't wish they could job shadow all different types of careers? But you can. You can do that in YouTube because there are thousands and thousands of videos from people who've posted on there what a day in the life of their job is like. So you're going to be able to go to YouTube and you're going to plug in a day in the life of, your whatever that was, professor, guidance counselor, whatever it was, and then you're going to watch that presentation. And then you're going to do that for your top two choices. And from that, those two presentations, I'd like for you to answer the question, if you had to pick one of these careers based on the job shadowing in YouTube, which one would you choose and why? We're going to post these answers collectively on a blog in Blackboard. And then also I want you to take those two top careers and I want you to Google jobs for those particular careers. So Google, job opportunities for whatever that is. And then look at the job advertisements because it's going to give you important information about the education that's expected. What you're supposed to be doing, the responsibilities, the duties of that position, right? And also the salary. There's usually they will try to provide some sort of salary range for that position. And so be thinking about as you do this, if there was one career you might pick over the other one based on just those job advertisements that you found, and then kind of be able to be expected to be able to describe why you came to that decision. So let's look at the YouTube a little more close. So I used myself as an example. I put in the search up here at the top, a day in the life of a career coach, okay? And I got several different kinds of things, and you're going to notice that not all of them are going to be the exact kind of career. So this is a job coach, this is a career counselor, maybe this is a little more what I was thinking. This is a life coach, that's a little bit different than what I had in mind. There's another life coach. Here's a career coach. So there's two of them there that I can kind of look at and listen and learn a little bit more about what these individuals do as career coaches or career counselors. And then here's the example of the job search that I did for career counselor jobs. I put in a Google search and I found jobs near Evansville, Indiana. And there were a range of different kinds of positions. Oh, look, admissions USI needs an undergraduate admissions counselor. So, if that was something you were, you might be interested, you look through the job requirements and the salary for that position, and then choose your favorite of the two that you think you would enjoy the most. Okay. All right, so when you click on a particular job description, and this is one I've chosen, was the, I think, a program advisor. It brings up the responsibilities and gives you a little bit of a range of a salary. I will warn you about them. They tend to be a national range, so what you may see nationally may not be what is for this local area as far as salaries. So that is the the activities that I want you to kind of go through for the YouTube and the job advertisements, so that you can get a little bit more feel, a little bit more knowledgeable about potential careers that you are matched with in the career cruising. So that's all for this particular activity, and I will see you at the next one.